Welcome back, traders, to today's market overview for October 7th. We've got a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. We'll be analyzing gold, silver, the euro, the pound, and the Nasdaq to see how prices are developing around key fair value gaps and order blocks. Let's break it all down. First up, let's look at gold on the XAUUSD chart. The bullish structure is holding strong. Price is currently trading above the 4-hour bullish fair value gap. We've seen a solid reaction from that imbalance, followed by a minor pullback toward equilibrium. Moving on to silver, XAGUSD is also showing respect for its 4-hour bullish fair value gap, consolidating just above the midpoint. Right now, it's forming a short-term range between 48.4 and 48.9. A clean break above this range's equilibrium could be the catalyst to push price back toward the 49.2 region. However, if it fails to hold this level, we might see it drop back to test the 4-hour imbalance below. Now let's turn our attention to the pound. GBPUSD is currently reacting inside a 4-hour bullish fair value gap. This comes after forming multiple short-term change in state of delivery structures, which is interesting, but we can't ignore the bearish pressure that's still visible near the daily equilibrium. Personally, I'll be waiting for a clear bounce within this 4-hour fair value gap and confirmation of higher delivery before I'd even consider looking for long opportunities. Patience is key here. Next, the EURUSD is trading below the one-day bearish fair value gap after rejecting liquidity from above. This tells us the daily bias remains bearish. Price is hovering near the equilibrium point at 1.17. If the euro fails to reclaim those premium levels and push higher, we could see a continuation of the downtrend, with potential targets at 1.165 and then 1.16. Finally, let's check out the Nasdaq, or S100. It's consolidating near the daily midpoint after a rejection from the upper boundary of the 4-hour bullish fair value gap. The bias here is neutral to bullish, as long as the price holds above the critical 24,900 level. A sustained close above 25,000 would be a strong signal, potentially confirming a bullish continuation toward the previous week's high. So to sum it all up, gold and silver are demonstrating relative strength above their bullish imbalances. The euro and pound, on the other hand, remain capped by daily supply zones. Nasdaq is in a consolidation phase but has the potential to break higher with the right confirmation. As always, remember to wait for clear structure shifts before entering any trades. Manage your risk and trade smart. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next update. See you in the next one.